Do your agent sucks and can't use the tool that you're providing is hallucinating, providing random outcome, and you're not liking or struggling to write a prompt that isn't good answer, provide a structured output, and you don't know how to do it? Stay tuned this video. In this video, I will teach you how can you write step by step a perfect AI prompt for your AI agent in anything and any AI agent platform that you needed to write. Just go into the dashboard and see what's to look like. Okay. Before diving into prompt, I will just want to explain what is the prompt mean by, because a lot of having people are saying this prompt with prompt engineering, but actually we understand the basic fundamental of prompt. What's the prompt? The prompt in simple language is telling AI what to do. Simple. Just telling the AI to do what. This example. Tell me a joke. Write a email. Just like give me an example. I will say, just we have a person. Let's suppose that we have a person. Let's suppose he's married. We have a married. Now we just have a system and say that just write an email. This is just like a yeah. Just suppose if she's the AI agent and I'm talking to just write email. This email. What we think Mary can write a good email with just saying the email. Do you know the detail about your email? Yes, that's why you come with the framework that what we think before we telling that. This is a real life example how do we think that. We should think what should the ideal outcome of our prompt. What the ideal outcome is that in detail from that. Okay, just want to write a DM strategy. So right, you have to write like this. Write a DM for LinkedIn about 15 words with friendly man. So you're just clarifying the detail. That giving you instruction that okay, married you have to write an email, DM, but in 15 words, it should be for friendly manner. So you said that you're just something in a detailed form. This lies in now. If you don't understand what is your success criteria when you're writing a prompt, it will really fail. So we have to just think about that. What's the ideal outcome look like? Just writing a DM in 15 words. Okay, this is easy. Writing in easy, but how much? In 150 character, where is included advantage, disadvantage, or factual data or not. The detail you come with your outcome. Okay, what's the outcome look like? You instruct that. It will be better with prompt. No, we understand, okay, why, what we think before writing a prompt and what's the prompt included, this thing. Now we can just move forward that. So we know that okay, we have to write this. Now, I just talk about how to write a structure detail form. So we just write, okay, like this, you write an email in a short form. What is in a short form in actually? Isn't it? Does it make any sense? Just write as in a short. So we need a quantifier number, just like this, in 150 character. Okay, you want to write an email in a simple manner. This is simple. Give it actual context about the email. What should be? You can just say that what a great living reading label. So give a context about it. You have also a quantifiable instruction to your prompt. You can just better perform about it. And quantify this that means that okay, you have to write a. Let's suppose you have uh, a joke. So you have to just make a joke on a plate on this specific bread. Bread. You can just quantify it like this, and it should be short, crispy, and and resonate with the pet lovers. You can just see that. You can just go instructing each by each detail form it, quantifying that this pet lovers things thing. So that's why we have to be quantifiable in our structure. If you add a quantifier, it's the prompt increase one by again. Now, now talk about how to from the basic LLM model like we using make.com, animal code tools that are basic, not AI engine. So we have to learn about the structure of the prompt that what the structure look like. So a lot of people see I see that is they get the data from any schema data, just write like right. Analyze the person here, here is his education experience. You don't write like this. You have to put better context about it. So there's a two way to this. I think the JSON format. I just love to JSON because it LLM model must understand the JSON format. If I, especially for when I'm using APIs from any API, anything that providing a JSON format, just use JSON. It is most efficient and most understandable to using by LLM model. What if I ask placeholders that is coming around that we can also use this way? Writing in a structure where this person have a degree, field, institution, completing this year I have work as a rule. You can just write in a structured way and templated form. It gives much better context to your LLM model to just writing. Suppose that you have write a resume every time. So it doesn't need AI agent. You can use some basic LLM model. You can just use this format. Okay, this a person have this degree in this field from this institution in this year in this role, company duration. You can much better context and you can write it what if you send an output. Okay. Now, now we just learn these two things that we have to write in what we have to know what we need from this. Again, what the ideal outcome look like in a detailed manner that with the character, how much it we can go in detail we need to prompt the outcomes with. I will have a quantifier one that's 150 character, thought getting reading label. That's it, the quantifier character we need. And also we will also learn that we have to provide a structure manner, not a random input in our LLM model. We have a structure as either JSON or you can use text formatted. Also, you can use Markdown. I also talk about Markdown while using Markdown language based in using AI models. That's also we think. And also we talk about discuss about that. Yeah. Now it is the basic part of the thing that we need to know. That is clear. We have a clear. We have a structure. We have a detail and structure. But how to write a AI agent prompt? This is the skeleton. How to write a AI agent? We basically divide the AI agent writing prompt in this category. It's rule, tasks, context, SOP, tools, sub agent, example. It's not the main category we write. We can add on. We can also remove some of the part if we need it. Right? Now get each meaning. Now to get the meaning of each point. Now defining a rule. This is giving an example again that now. Just suppose that she's married and we just hire. See, we have to define who is she. Let's suppose that we hire from a personal assistant. We just say that we are a personal assistant. We know that. So that's why we know what we have to do. Is we have a great context of what I'm supposed to do at the role. Just like this, we also define the our LLM model like who is he? That he's an email writer, he's a script writer, or he's a analyst, or he is a comedian. We have to define the role in ads. This we add detail in managers. Just to give an example, let's say you are a content strategist, splicing, crafting high engaging content in LinkedIn and Twitter. Primary goal is creating compelling content that enhance brand visibility and audience engagement. So we're just particularly focusing on what? We focus on engagement. You can just tweak this prompt in any way as you need. So just define the role that what do you think that person should look like. The LLM should now let's define who she is. Now we just define that there is a personal assistant that helped me. That's why we also define our role. And see, definitely, if the role can just change your whole context of how to just do the how the AI agent work. You have to better understand how to write role in context that. Let's just see that okay, this is the task. Okay, what person? Okay, just whenever you're just writing a AI agent rule, just think of the way what the person look like who do this task, this specific task, this outcome that generate this outcome. That we just see if we're just writing an email, so who the person is, that person that write a perfect email. Is a copywriter, expert person who write a perfect email. So we can know the better who the person. So that's why we can also define it simply manner. Now, the second component is tasks. Now, so we get better understanding of what the LLM AI model, AI agent is supposed to do. Let's suppose that again example that suppose that we have a personal assistant in that and we're just saying that okay you have to just manage my own thing. So what does it actually mean by managing all? What's it mean? in front of. So we have to break down it. Like, okay, we have to check my all emails. We have to just arrange my meetings. We have to just check all the mails that's coming from the test. You can just arrange all the files. We have to call the person for that I need it. That's the thing. And you have to just set appointment for me, for instance. So we're just piecing the all activities that he's supposed to do. Yes, you have to meet emails, meetings, file arrangement. We just break down in that. So just like we also have to break down it that, you know, agent that what he's supposed to do. That okay, you have to write email, okay, write a blog post, write this, like, what he's supposed to do in it. That's okay. This. The overall kind. This you're making AI agent that have for here this content generation. What he's supposed to? He's supposed to write a script, titles, examples. He's just writing very granular data. That's okay. You have to write supposed to have a resource of content. You have to find out the emerging trend. You have to just write a script. You have to just make a content piece. You have to just generate images. Just gradually piece the whole instruction in your point and just give it. Just like that, I just giving that. We are a content specialist who create an engaging post for LinkedIn, Twitter. We can go more. Okay, you are a content specialist who create an engaging post on LinkedIn with this much character, this much thing. We just go more deeper and deeper. And the more deeper you go, the more it will be good. Now, now this is the part of context. A lot of people just not understand that. But there are a lot of personal assistant in the world. But every person should do the same job, same work? There are different contexts now. Because whenever you this processor in tech founder, the processor in a creative agency is so different. There are different priorities. In a tech founder, they have to optimize the thing, do little bit of those. They should check the emails that coming are have different priorities. That okay, this emerging trends are okay good for saying that. In creative agency, the emerging trends for goods. We have to define the context. Why? Why we are doing something? So given that, okay, I just giving example that okay, you need to take a topic that provide the user, break it down, conduct a research, so craft an engaging post. So what we need is that why we just give this agent to write this? We want to create engagement. I just change it. That we want is get is engagement. Social presence, so that why we need to write the post. So it will better understanding, okay, why I'm doing a task, okay, for increasing the brand awareness, increasing the social presence of my brand. So the agent can must act grandly out. Now, the most part is SOPs. Now, whatever we write, whatever tasks we have to write, just break down with this. Whenever writing, okay, like suppose that you have written Indian content. So just break it down. Okay, first of all, is on topic. Find a great idea. Okay, write the subject line, write a body of this character, write a CTA. Just break down each part. So just making Instagram it. Okay, just write the hook of it, create an image on it, write a caption, write the hashtag. Then just break down each portion. SOPs that okay do it. If you're multi-AI agent, so you have to do first to a research works, then to go into crafter, then send the crafting agent, just craft the script, then go to agent that make content, then go to then use content the video generation sub agent. So you can just craft a step by step guide okay how you can do this stuff. Or also you can use sub agent category also. So the more detailed from your SOP be, the more AI agent can do it. Sorry for that. So you have to just break down the whole thing. Yeah, how can you break down? Just see that okay, as a person, okay, let's suppose that you how to I just think to break down this. Let's suppose that you have a new person, new trainee, and you have to say that to do the work and how you say that. Okay, like this, then that. The instruction you give the newbie, just give the instruction to your AI agent as a SOP and you get better result. Now, the second part is that most of the AI agent be using tools. So we have to define the tools, what tool we have. We just define the tool. Okay, you have this tools. Okay, you have a researching tool, you have a writing tool, you have this tool. So the agent better understand, okay, I have this capability, so I can use it. So we just define the tools and things, also the examples that. Okay. Whenever user asks, so you know that okay, I have this capability, I can use this tool, this to match. So we're just defining the tool also. Now, next sub-region part, we also define the sub-region part. So let's define it. This is the sub-region. I can just tell the sub-region to do this. I have this content generation sub-region. I can just whenever I just get idea from generating content of topic, I just say to this agent to just generate a content like this. Now, this is the part where we just define each tool in granular. We also define in sub-region is very granular. Say that the content generation. So what the content generation? You can write LinkedIn post, YouTube script. We have defined the tool sub-region that what is the capability in granular. So the whole point of writing a prompt in a nutshell is that giving a much clearer and smaller instruction. Just saying that this suppose in a nutshell idea that saying a maybe to what to do. Is simple man. Now, the last part we do is just we provide examples, and it just mitigates a lot of things that common sense. We just give the input, we give the whole output, chain of thought, and this is the output. You can see that in here. So we get examples from, so you get topic breakdown, you get research, you get structure prompting, then you generate the whole link and Twitter. You get step by step now. You better understand, okay, I have generated this type of result. Okay. And they can generate it. Now, I also want to add something also. We also define, if we are just using for different purpose, we also define the outcome, outcome structure. Do you want JSON? Do you want this? We also defining structure. Because whenever using in LLM model, language model, and AI agent, you have to just send to another tools. You have to define the structure of it, structure the what should the outcome look like. It is different define the structure. You just provide a random variation of the output in a randomization, and every time you send it, there is some error to come with the subagent because it's the subagent including a response in a certain parameter and just sending in iteration way, so it doesn't understand the context like just searching again. You have to just have a structure output system that okay, this subagent provide this is format, I have to structurally provide. So you have to structure output system. And you have to define a structure to JSON, what's the iteration. Okay, if you're just providing a subagent to write this, so you have a title, subagent, topic breakdown, this. You have a JSON format and use that topic to use. Also, you're just uploading a let's suppose using subagent to just upload um, or database. So you have a topic in the database, you have to title, product, quantity, price, description. So we just randomly saying that just update the thing. We just try to just write, okay, this is a product name, just provide this format in JSON, product name dash, price dash, quantity dash, description dash in JSON format, and then use that data to map the when this structure give various things, input out, if you structureize the just like the JSON format, you use an end for viewers just like this. A lot of times use JSON format. And if you want to just check your JSON format, just use to JSON or editor, JSON editor, and, and this is and you can just put your values in here and you can check the JSON, make a correct format of JSON. You can do a lot of things with here in JSON those format. Now, also defining structure, a last but not least point, despite doing a lot of things where there is always something happen in AI, there's always something mistake. So what we have also a point called notes section. This something is called customs, something rules. Then we have a note section that. Let's suppose that you're writing a thing and you're not getting the right format. You don't clearly define a structure or a point of that. Okay, you have write okay tone, but you have to define a tone and he's applying this tone. So you have to structure inform in note section. Okay, you have to do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. This is the instruction that. Let's suppose that again example Mary. We just train all the thing about the Mary, but whenever we just have an overload of context, all the thing, and we may make mistake. So what we do, we just talk that okay, you have to not do this, you have to not do this, you have to do this. That's why we also have a note section. Okay, whenever this mistake happen, just put a note so you can better understand. Okay, I have this things happen. The strict statement To not do, to have a note section of it. Just training, just saying whatever you have to do and you have to do this thing. That's all. Now, we're also writing note, and now us writing note and just giving note. What we think to understand last to bring if it will last, we have to just craft a prompt according just writing a new employee and it's in a structure format. And then like what is going down? Hmm. There are a lot of tools available right now just you can use to refer to just write a prompt. But I just suggest one of the resources that I use to just write a prompt. Just use Anthropic prompt guide. Just refer this Anthropic prompt guide and you just know the granularity. I just you just follow this form structure that how it is. You have this the whole structure. You just read a couple of times, just understand the whole thing, and I just make a. I think you also get a refer. Just talking out. You have very great resources. You update each time, and you got better understanding of if you're just talking. You can just find a resource on it. Now, the last thing I'm talking about is Markdown language. Markdown. Now, what is a Markdown language? Let's say just show you just what is a Markdown language. Yeah, and that is so clear. Okay. Now, let us see that. Okay. I think it's not clear. I should go back a little bit. Uh, let us see for this guide. Okay, this have content. Yeah, I think this one have content. Markdown language. Okay, this is right. I just use ChatGPT to just write what is a markdown language. Mark email in markdown language. Now, what I'm doing that. Just cover all the things that we need. Now, in the markdown language, what we do is that this is the right writing convention that we write. That is, there is a HTML, there is XML, and this is the markdown language. So what is it is using this hash. This is repeating with high text. This is a heading one, and using this double asterisk is meaning bold. This means the symbol is meaning point. So why we just write this language that in a format markdown language? Because a lot of OpenAI agent just follow this format, and if you write in this format, the agent understand very quickly. And it's also very light and clean way to write because you can just define the heading, you can define the subheading, you can just bold it, you can just write a point on it that so this is the main topic or this is the point. Also, you can define your links, you can define your top subheading, and also think that uh, just write just see a couple of videos of Markdown language and just follow the Markdown language and just getting a knowledge of 5 to you just watch 15 to 20-minute video, you can understand, okay, this. And after this, go and just type, just change in the map, the format in a ChatGPT, and it's already changed. And just paste in the link, your age, and that's the thing. It is very good because it gives the context of hierarchy of things. Whenever I, in plain text, there is no hierarchy. Yeah. If you just write in Markdown, there is hierarchy. And this is much better to write. Now, this is all about prompt. And if you have any question, just drop them in bottom in comment box. I just used to answer your question. All right, guys, have a great day.